There's no need to search the stars to find the best telescope for astrophotography. We have compiled a list of the top 5 telescopes that are perfect for astrophotography. Each of these telescopes provide you with great views and clear images of the night sky. Read on to find out which telescope is right for you. There are many products available to choose the best telescopes for astrophotography for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best telescopes for astrophotography for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Celestron AstroMaster 130X. Celestron AstroMaster 130EQ is a great option for anyone looking to get into astrophotography. What if you're experienced in astrophotography but on a budget? Then the Celestron AstroMaster is for you. It has most, if not all, of the features that only more expensive options offer. And all for a very reasonable price. With an aperture of 114 mm, it's perfect for photographing planets and constellations. It also features an equatorial mount with 2 slow-motion control knobs, ideal for fine adjustments. The only downside of the Celestron AstroMaster 130EQ is that it's not a telescope for a beginner. It's challenging to set up and use even without a camera. You need to be familiar with telescopes to use it to its full potential. But that doesn't mean you can't buy it even if you don't have the experience. After all, it's not a bad idea to invest in a good piece of astrophotography equipment early on. It includes a tripod and starry night astronomy photography software. Number 2. Celestron NexStar 8 Cetus telescope is one of the most expensive ones on our list. But it's also one of the best. It has excellent optics and computerized photo tracking. The Celestron NexStar 8 SE is for experienced astrophotographers because you need a long focal length for a narrow field of view. The NexStar 8 SE comes with a simple red dot finder scope and a basic 25mm eyepiece. To take full advantage of the telescope's excellent optics, you should add a few good eyepieces. The Celestron NexStar 8 SE has a fully automated, built-in photo mount. This automatically locates and tracks objects for you. It also features a database of more than 40,000 celestial objects. Perhaps the only issue with the NexStar 8 SE is its focal ratio of f10. That means it doesn't let in much light for your camera. In other words, you may have to use longer exposure times when taking pictures. Some other options have a focal ratio of f4, which is much better for astrophotography. It's light, portable, and straightforward to use. And it includes a star diagonal, database, and SkyAllen software. Number 3. Orion 130 Storion is a high-quality brand of telescopes. It has tons of products that are pretty expensive. But it also has budget-friendly options that are perfect for astrophotography beginners. The one that we like best is the Orion 09007 Spaceprobe 130 ST. What makes the Spaceprobe 130 ST special is its quality materials. Plus, it has a mid-range price. That's significant, especially since astrophotography demands high-quality optics, which Orion delivers. The Spaceprobe has a 5.1-inch aperture that lets you view and photograph distant planets and nebulas. Its 24-inch tube makes it portable and ideal for long trips. The whole set also only weighs 27 pounds, which isn't substantial for telescope equipment at all. That means you can take it to remote areas without much struggle. Another great feature of the Spaceprobe is its equatorial mount. It allows you to track stars manually with precision. It includes a 1.25-inch rack and pinion focuser and a tripod. You also get a tripod accessory tray, 2 rings, a collimation cap, and Starry Night astronomy photography software. Number 4. Celestron NexStar 127 SL. Are you a beginner with some money but don't want to break the bank? Then you might want to take a look at the Celestron NexStar 127 SLT. It's an advanced telescope that you can buy for way less than $1,000. So, what makes the NexStar 127 SLT different? The SLT stands for Star Locating Telescope. That means it has a built-in computer. You don't have to guess where any planets or constellations are in the night sky. All you have to do is enter which celestial object you want to track, and this device will find it for you. That's quite an advantage, especially if you're not familiar with astrophotography. The NexStar comes in 2 telescope types, the refractor and catadioptric. Its 127mm aperture is ideal for deep sky imaging. It will enable you to take photos of constellations and even observe Saturn's rings. It includes a star diagonal, Sky Allen, and Starry Night astronomy photography software. Number 5. Celestron StarSense Explorer 130 AZ. Celestron StarSense Explorer 130 AZ is another high-quality telescope from Celestron. The 130 AZ has a shorter focal range than the other Celestron options above. This means you will not get as large of a zoom, but it costs significantly less. These points make it ideal for a beginner who wants to dip their toe into astrophotography before diving in. Its accessibility is the winning feature if you're a beginner. Celestron operates by attaching your smartphone to it. You will then use the specially produced app to direct your telescope. This app and telescope combination makes finding your favorite stars and planets quick and easy. You tell the app what you are looking for. Then it reads the sky in real time, constantly adjusting its reading for accurate navigation. The crosshairs turn green when your subject is in the shot. My favorite thing about this app is that it doesn't require any signal from your phone. This means you can use it in remote locations. The zoom is strong enough to see the craters of the moon and the gas lines on Jupiter. This is a great starting point for budding enthusiasts. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.